What's up, Juice Nation? It's your boy J Cav, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to wake up our taste buds and fuel our bodies with a recipe called Wake Up Call. Let's go! Now, big shout out to Juicy Juice and Jay for creating this powerhouse blend, as it's packed with vitamins, flavor, and goodness to jumpstart your day. For our juicing today, we'll be using both the chamber set and the citrus attachment. This recipe calls for a vibrant blend of fruits and veggies. We're juicing about 2 pounds of carrots, 4 oranges, 2 limes, and 5 cups of cubed papaya. The great part about the citrus attachment is you don't need to peel your fruit. Now, oranges are full of vitamin C, which helps to boost your immune system and brighten your skin, while limes are great for digestion and full of antioxidants to fight free radicals. As we juice, let's talk about who this recipe is great for. If you're someone who struggles to eat enough fruits and veggies like I do, this juice is a tasty way to pack them in. If you're looking for a natural energy boost without caffeine, Wake Up Call is your answer. And if you're on a wellness journey like me, this is a great addition to your routine to take care of your body from the inside out. Now, I would recommend using organic carrots over conventional, as the peels of our carrots are actually really healthy for you and contain the highest concentration of vitamin C and niacin in the carrot. But whether you buy organic or conventional, be sure to wash and scrub them first. Carrots are also packed with beta-carotene for healthy eyes and glowing skin. So not only will this juice help you look good, you'll feel good too. Now, please forgive me, y'all, as I honestly forgot about the papayas, but let's juice them now. So again, we're using about 5 cups of papaya for the recipe. Papayas are a tropical powerhouse with enzymes that aid digestion and support gut health. So here it is, the Wake Up Call. No artificial colors, flavors, or ingredients you can't pronounce. So shout out to God for blessing us with this amazing produce. Give this awesome recipe a try. I promise you'll love it. Check out Juicy Juice and Jay's recipe book on Amazon as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at TurnMeUpJCav for more juicing recipes, wellness tips, and adventures. Juice Nation, let's commit to living healthier, more balanced lives together. And remember, everything we need, God has already provided us.